So let's pick this one apart and put this into mathematical notation. The volume of a solid bar is the product of the cross-sectional area and the length of the bar. So let's look for all the elements here. There's a solid bar. In fact, this solid bar has a volume. So the volume of the solid bar, let's call that V. Call that V. Then we have is the product of the cross-sectional area. Let's call this A. And then the length of the bar, call this L, a cursive L there. Now, let's rewrite this and let's consider what we've got. B is the product of, and here I'll include this, the cross-sectional area. We'll include the, get that in there. V is the product of A and L. So this simplifies things a lot. So now, remember is, we can call that the equal sign. Product means times. Now, what are we timesing? Well, the product is the product of A and L. Like we might say the product of 3 and 2. This means 3 times 2. So in this case, the product of A and L will be A times L. And sometimes when we're working with variables, it's easier to, okay, so what does product of A and L mean? Let's forget we're using variables. Let's say we're using numbers. What would be the product of 2 and 3 mean? And then maybe that clarifies things a bit. So we end up getting B is A times L. And again, in algebra, we make the multiplication sign invisible. AL. And that's it. So any questions about that, let me know.